Completing your setup on Coinbase after signing up is essential for trading and managing your cryptocurrency. Follow these steps to ensure your account is fully operational. Step 1. Verify your email. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Coinbase. Click the link provided in the email to confirm your address and activate your account. Step 2. Set up two-factor authentication. Log into your Coinbase account and navigate to the security settings. Enable two-factor authentication 2FA for added security, usually through an authentication app or SMS. Step 3. Add a payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Complete identity verification. To comply with regulations, Coinbase will require you to verify your identity. Follow the instructions to upload the government-issued ID and provide any additional information requested. Step 5. Familiarize yourself with the platform. Take some time to explore the Coinbase interface. Review the trading options, wallet features, and educational resources available to help you understand cryptocurrency trading better. Now that you have completed the setup, you are ready to start trading and managing your cryptocurrency on Coinbase. Enjoy your experience.